Good morning, everyone. The students are pouring in very slowly. Kushika, very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, beta. Kushagra, very good morning. Do you have your classes of physical education also going on after this?
Yes,
Or
sir.
it is, huh?
Yes, sir.
The classes are scheduled after my class. Okay.
No, sir.
I got both the answers, yes, sir, and no, sir. How can it be?
So मतलब रोज कैंसिल हो रही है.
अच्छा कैंसिल हो रही है. अच्छा शेड्यूल हो रही है लेकिन कैंसिल हो रही है. Now both the answers I can agree with. Yes, the classes are scheduled, but it have been getting cancelled. Oh, yesterday I saw the message in that group. Physical cancelled. Fine. Why few students today? Still sleeping? In
No,
fact,
sir,
I delayed
पूजा
the
की तैयारी कर रहे हूँ.
पूजा की तैयारी कर रहे हैं. Yes, very good. रामनवमी है, पूजा की तैयारी कर रहे होंगी. I don't think so. मैं इतने स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैं कि सब पूजा की तैयारी कर रहे होंगे. Come on, students, wake up. You can just pass on the messages to your text the messages to your friends if you have the personal numbers very quickly. Yes, we'll start because I want to finish off this topic invitation and the replies today, so that we can focus on the long compositions tomorrow onwards. And happy Ram Navami to all of you.
Same to you, sir.
Jai Shri Ram.
Same to you, sir.
जय हनुमान.
Jai Hanuman. So let's start. है ना? So start. Acha, any problems anywhere where the topic advertisement was concerned or notice is concerned? I know I'll get the same answer. No, sir. But I have to ask. So I'm waiting for that answer from you. No, sir. We don't have any doubts. Yes, any
sir.
doubts?
No, sir.
Very good, Sam. No, sir. Chalo. So let's proceed with a new topic, invitation and the replies. And invitation will become a compulsory question to all of you. Just hold on. Is the screen shared?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Is the resonance green visible? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So your two short compositions I've told you earlier. One is you'll get an option from notice and advertisement. That topic we have finished. And the next question in short composition will be purely based on invitations. Invitations are formal invitations, informal invitations. That is there in the syllabus. Along with it, you also have the replies to the invitations. That is reply to the formal invitation as well as informal invitation. And in replies also, there are two types. One is the acceptance that you will be able to attend that function, event, occasion or ceremony, or regret that for some reason you will be unable to attend. So you'll get two questions and you can expect one invitation and the other as a reply as option. So be prepared with everything. And it's again very easy. Don't confuse yourself. You can easily score full marks. You start with invitation and the replies. What is invitation?
Nimantran.
Nimantran. And if I say amantran? Sir, don't confuse us. सुबह सुबह तो मत करो, please. Yes, निमंत्रण और आमंत्रण. यह खुशी का कुमकुम बोलो.
पर सेम हुआ ना.
उनकी बात. Both
सेम
the
है दोनों
same.
का मीनिंग?
सेम है, अलग अलग है।
अच्छा, निमंत्रण ऐसा तो नहीं कि आमंत्रण मीन्स आना ही है, निमंत्रण है, नहीं आओगे तो अच्छा है, ऐसा कुछ तो नहीं है ना?
नहीं सर।
अच्छा,
No, sir.
okay, very good. Yes. So I don't know what's the difference. Maybe both are synonyms. Both are, better word is invitation in English. Yes, एक ही मतलब है. So the points to remember where formal invitations are concerned. We start with formal invitation and the replies. The points you have to remember. The invitation should always be visually attractive. I'm talking about formal invitations. That is invitations for family functions or the things which are printed in the form of a card. So it should be nicely laid out and the invitation should be laid that the things are in separate line. That is, first the name of the host or the host issuing the invitation. So the one who is inviting, his or her name or their name will be reflected on the top. Then below it you can use the standard expression, request the pleasure of the company, or I'll give you better openings also. Request your benign presence and so on. We'll change the openings as we go as per the on go to the different solutions. The reason for the invitation has to be specified. I did not say nimantran amantran se alag hai. I never said that. I just told them they are synonyms. कौन आ गया इतने आंसर देने हुए? Aman? Yeah, we don't want to understand that. We'll focus on to our topic. Yes, that we'll discuss later on. Okay, thank you, Aman, for the sharing the information. Then the reason or the cause of the invitation has to be specified. Date, time, venue of the event, occasion or the function लिखना है हमको. In case a VIP is to be attended, that is an official function, not for family functions. A VIP or chief guest will be invited. His or her name has to be put up in the card or in the invitation. When you are sending that invitation, when you are posting that invitation, that is not to be specified. Only the date of the event, function or the occasion has to be mentioned. No punctuation lines, no comma, no full stop anywhere in that running matter. No signature anywhere. And the simple present tense is used. Please keep a check on this. Simple present tense is used. And do not use any abbreviations, which I've been telling you earlier also. Even where notice was concerned, I told you not to write any abbreviated months. Similarly, it goes over here also. Complete things have to be specified, but one abbreviation, that is RSVP, at the bottom left of the card is mandatory. RSVP, the literal meaning is please reply. In Hindi, what we call as preshak. And the full form of RSVP, does anybody know? It's a migratory word, a foreign word adopted by the English dictionary. Yes, it's not necessary to remember. Yes, general knowledge purpose, you can remember it. It is Riponde Silva Pla. This is the full form of RSVP. This is not what you have to write. You only have to put up RSVP. Okay, friends? Yeah, Kushagra. Very good.
Yes.
Chalo. So let's proceed now. And we start with formal invitations for family functions. Your brother is going to marry Jenny of Rajkot. Your father, Sri D.C. D'Souza, has planned to hold the wedding at Mumbai. Write a formal invitation on behalf of your grandmother. I just tried to twist the question. Mr. D'Souza's son is getting married, but the invitee is the eldest surviving member, that is the grandmother, Mrs. Susan D'Souza, inviting the guests to the auspicious occasions. So this is a formal invitation for family functions. This is the way the thing should look. It will be in a box. In the center, the name of the host, Mrs. Susan D'Souza. You can use the simple expression request your grace, you request the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion of the marriage and so on, or you can use a better terminology, solicits your gracious presence. Solicits again is request. Now, please keep a check on the verb. I'll just type something in the chat box. Suppose you are putting up request your gracious presence. So whether it should be request or request, something very important, which I'm discussing now.
Requests.
Request.
Sir, requests.
Request.
Don't go with the word I've solicits I've used. It might be a deliberate error from my side.
Sir, requests होगा.
S आएगा or it
Yes,
won't
sir.
be reflected.
Yes, आएगा.
All of you
Yes,
agree
sir.
with it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
सर क्योंकि वो मिसेज उनका नाम लिखा हुआ है, वो रिक्वेस्ट करेंगी तो रिक्वेस्ट हो जाएगा.
और मिसेज नहीं होता तो?
सर मतलब कोई थर्ड पर्सन है इसलिए वो रिक्वेस्ट कर रही है.
Okay, चलो. Sorry, whosoever is from Maharashtra board, so you can skip today's class if you don't have invitation in your syllabus. Whosoever this 1KM 9Q, जो भी नाम है, you can just enjoy the rest of your day. Now, suppose somebody said that third person में है, so request आएगा. Now the question to all of you, and everybody agrees with this answer?
Yes.
No, sir. So singular है इसलिए आएगा.
हाँ, now suppose now I just put up a Mrs. and Mr. I change the invitee now. Suppose I make it as Mrs. and Mr. Sharma. इसके संग क्या लगेगा? Should it be request or request? Again, third person is there.
Request.
Oh, so please keep a check on the rules of present
Request.
simple tense. This is the place where marks can be handsomely deducted for simple silly mistake from our side. Yes, we always say he go to school or he goes to school.
goes to school.
He goes to school. Jack do the work or Jack does the work.
Does the work.
We like to study or we likes to study.
Like.
So this is what you know. बस वही चीज है, इस पे ध्यान रखना. Don't make mistakes over here. Those who still get confused with this, just remember a very simple rule. If the invitee is singular, S will be there after the verb. Singular invitee S. Singular invitee S. ये चीज दिमाग में बैठा लो. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, everyone.
Yes, sir.
है ना? Suppose I make it Mrs. and Mr. D'Souza, then it will be request or solicit. But if it is only Mrs. D'Souza, it will be requests or solicits. Now the things are easy. Solicits your gracious presence, or you can go for the simple one. Request the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion, and see the way the things are laid out. 4-5 words maximum. उससे ज़्यादा मतलब don't make it complete sentence. It should be visually attractive. जैसे कार्ड में सबके आता है. This is the way we have to write. On the auspicious occasion of the marriage. Now next, of her grandson. Again, the second place where marks can be deducted is over here. Of her grandson. Even though it is, she don't say of my grandson. In this, the third person will be considered. So even though Mrs. D'Souza is inviting, but वो नहीं कि मेरे, उनके grandson के लिए. Clear? So this third person over here, third person pronoun and the verb. These are the two places where marks can be deducted handsomely for your mistakes. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So of her grandson, Joseph. किनका बेटा वो ऐड कर लेना to make the thing look realistic. Son of Mrs. and Mr. D.C. D'Souza, Mumbai, with Jenny, daughter of Mrs. and Mr. P.K. Gomes, Rajkot. Now date, time, venue. Please lay it out on 6 different lines the way I put up. Don't mess it up by एक ही लाइन में या 2 लाइन के अंदर फिनिश कर दो. On, enter मार के. Next line, put up the date. From, time लिख दो. At, put up the venue. This is the way the thing should be laid out. After this, leave 1 or 2 lines. And then will come the RSVP. RSVP, you can change, make it Mr. D'Souza, and the contact number in crosses and zeros. No need of writing any address or something. And in the same line where RSVP is there, on the right hand side, you just put up with best compliments, all friends and relatives. In our Indian cards, we get names of all the uncles and so on. चाचा, ताऊ, मामा सबके नाम आते हैं. अगेन कभी कभी झगड़े के कारण बन जाते हैं. मैं छोटा हूँ, सॉरी वो छोटा है, उसका नाम ऊपर क्यों आया, and so on. All those bullshits happen over here. We'll include everyone. We are not offending anyone. सबका नाम आ गया, देखा, all लिख दिया ना, तू आ गया उसके अंदर. In our Indian cards, we have many other things. बाल मनोहर, मेरे ताता की तादी में दलूल 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 पदालना. Yes. Keep all those things for your marriages. Don't reflect anything, because the more we write, the more mistake chances are there we can make more mistakes. And close the box. This is all where the formal invitation for family functions. I am repeating the thing again. Formal invitation for family function is put up. In exam, they may not give you draft a formal invitation or draft an informal invitation. From the look of the question, you have to analyze. And how do we make it out? Whenever the invitation is for multiple recipients, it will be taken as formal invitation. Keep this thing in your mind. Okay, everyone?
Yeah.
So don't get confused कि मुझे formal बनाना है कि informal बनाना है. And informal, which I'll follow, which I'll tell you soon. Yes, you'll understand the things very clearly.
एक बार क्वेश्चन दिखाता हूँ. ओके सर.
है ना? Inviting guests लिख दिया मैंने. Okay, so read the question very carefully. From that you have to make it out. Don't jump to the conclusion कि marriage है. Suppose I can just frame this question that your brother is getting married. Send an invitation to your friend, personal invitation. Then it will become an informal invitation. Then you don't have to make a card. Okay, keep this thing in your mind, please. Now one more thing. In this, the grandmother is the invitee. Assuming that invitee also would have been the parents of Joseph. So ऊपर किसका नाम आता? Mrs. and Mr. DC D'Souza. Solicit your gracious
Yes, sir.
presence or solicits your gracious presence?
Solid.
Solicit. On the auspicious occasion of the marriage of
Their children.
Their
their children.
His child. Their
their
child.
son.
Their
Don't say
child.
children. Their son. Use the word son or grandson. है, जो भी होता है. Their son, Joseph. Then will this word be reflected in the bracket, son of Mrs. and Mr. D'Souza?
No, sir.
No sir.
Then please don't repeat it unnecessary, because आपने ऊपर ही लिख दिया है उनके बेटे के बारे में, तो दोबारा मत लिखना कि जोसेफ किसका बेटा है. It's not a reminder to everyone. Clear? So keep
Yes,
this
sir.
thing, very simple things in your mind. So this is an example of formal invitation for family functions. Now we'll go for the replies of this function. How the reply has to be sent. So this is the question you can expect. I'm just sending the reply on the basis of the earlier invitation. So in exam, you can get this type of question. Mrs. and Mr. Sharma have been invited to attend the marriage of Mr. DC D'Souza's son. Send a reply mentioning your acceptance. In exam, they can be very specific. किसी की आवाज आ रही है, please. Send a reply mentioning your acceptance, or they can give you an option. Send a reply showing your acceptance oblique regret. If this option is given, you have to attempt any one. And please, either you have to draft an invitation or you have to draft a reply. Don't make everything, because 2 years back I just remember a student बोला सर invitation मैंने attempt किया लेकिन 3 box बनाना पड़ा, बहुत time लग गया. मतलब 3 box क्यों? That smart intelligent student had made in the question it was asked only the reply. So he had put up the invitation also, and then he had drafted both the replies. आप ऐसी गलती मत करना, please. Okay, now how this thing has to be put up? This is the easiest of the lot, and I think I have not seen this type of question for years. Now this is the solution. Box के अंदर nothing to do like advertisement. Yes, acceptance or regret, जो भी आपको लिखना है, this you just write in front of the question number. This is your answer. You get marks only for this. Third person, that is important, you have to put up. So Mrs. and Mr. Sharma thank, not thanks. Mrs. and Mr. D'Souza for inviting not us third person for inviting them. तो verb में ध्यान रखना singular plural का, and then third person for inviting them. Rest the things are okay. On the occasion of the marriage of their son Joseph. In the exam, the date time will not be given. Try to put it up on 19th December and inform them that they will be glad to attend the ceremony and bless the newly wed couple. So in 1 or 2 sentences, if you put up a full stop, no problem. So one or 2 sentences, you complete the matter without leaving a line or without changing the paragraph. In this, no date, no salutation, no date, no salutation, no complimentary clause, no signature, nothing is there. This is all you have to put up where the reply to the formal invitation for family functions. Yes, I'm repeating it again, for family function is concerned. Anyone, any questions?
So,
Yeah,
is it compulsory to put them in the box?
yeah, short compositions, everything is compulsory in a box. Advertisement, notice, invitation, or the reply.
Okay, sir.
Box is mandatory compulsory. Box, if you won't make, your marks will be deducted. And make a box, compile the things inside the box. Box नहीं बनाओगे तो शायद बाहर जाके गिर जाएगा वो. So make a box, please. Okay, Archasi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any questions, anyone else? And this? 1 minute. The reply in a third person, there is no address or date. Somebody asking me, it should be Mr. and Mrs. or Mrs. and Mr. What do you think?
Mrs. and Mr.
Mr. and Mrs.
Suppose you're adding name also. चलो सुनील शर्मा लिखा है. तो फिर just say Mr. and Mrs. सुनील शर्मा. Mrs. सुनील शर्मा कैसा अजीब सा साउंड कर रहा है. And very realistic, ladies first. Give respect to others. And as per the rules of the pronoun also, if you just go, हम अपने आप को always, yeah Rohit, you can just send in a message, you can speak out what doubts you have. You're raising your hand for something. Yeah Rohit, or was it by mistake? Rohit, please respond. You raised your hand, I think. Okay, doubt clear? Okay. Thank you. Doubt के spelling change कर लेना. I have doubt regarding your doubt spelling. है ना? Okay, Rohit. Good morning. So always give respect, and as per the rules of the pronoun also, ourselves we always put up at the end. We give the importance to the other persons. ठीक है? Ladies first कर देना always. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll go for the regret of this. Mrs. and Mr. Sharma have been invited to attend the marriage of Mr. D'Souza. Send a reply mentioning your inability to attend the ceremony. Now this is regarding the regret. आपको पछतावा है, you will not be able to attend. Same way, the first 3 lines are same. Mrs. and Mr. Sharma thank, not thanks, Mrs. and Mr. D'Souza for inviting them on the occasion of the marriage of their son Joseph on 19th December and inform with regret that they will be unable to attend the ceremony. The reason has to be specified, and please go with the standard reason for being unable to attend the ceremony due to prior engagement. This will use in formal as well as informal. Now, suppose now you are unable to attend, show some formality. So they wish the young couple a happy married life. भले उनको दुख है, वो नहीं जा पाएंगे, खाना नहीं खा पाएंगे, they will not have a nice tasty dinner, but ठीक है, आशीर्वाद तो भेज दो. So they wish the young couple a happy married life. The answer is, the solution is finished. And again, no address, no date, no salutation, nothing will be there. Is it okay with all of you?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
very good. Now we'll go with the important ones now. So you can expect family function के लिए card आ सकता है in the exam. Now, formal invitation for official functions. Mark my words, formal invitations for official functions. You are the principal of Arman Senior Secondary School, Delhi. The school is holding its 40th Founders Day celebration. Design an invitation card to be sent to the parents and the other invitees. How the invitation should look. So you got a clue? To be sent to the parents and the other invitees. That means card banega. I don't know why this window is infringing again and again. So Arman Senior Secondary School, Delhi. In this, you can change the host. In this, I made school as the host. Aap kar sakte ho. You can make the principal also the host. You can make the staff and management as the host. Aapki marzi. So Arman Senior Secondary School, Delhi, cordially invites you to its 40th Founders Day celebration on Saturday, 10th October. This TH, by default, it has gone up. You don't write this way. Put up the way I've told you earlier, or जैसे मैंने 40th में लिखा है, in the same line. On Saturday, 10th October, from 4 p.m. onwards, in the school auditorium. After this, please leave a line. Please leave a line. And then there's something about the chief guest has to be specified. If you want to put up a name, put it up, no problem. If the name is not given and you don't want to take any chances, you can go with this terminology XYZ. So use this details of the chief guest in 2 lines the way I have shown. First, put up the name and the designation on 1 line. So Mr. XYZ dash Mayor of Delhi. Next line has consented to be the chief guest. After this, leave 2 lines. RSVP, principal, his contact number. On the right hand side, I just put a best wishes, staff and management. This is the way the invitation, the formal invitation for official function has to be done.
सर एक बार क्वेश्चन दिखा दीजिए.
देख लीजिए. I'll focus on
Okay,
some
sir.
more solid examples where this official function card is related because इसके अंदर बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए है. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And this also will be in a box, please. And I've told you earlier, if not, don't make a complete box and start writing. You may not be that perfect that you make a perfect box and you will be able to finish off the matter. Make a 3-sided box. And then keep on writing, and as when you finish it off, just drag the box and complete it into full.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, celebrations or celebration. Like if we write 40th Founders Day celebration, then
Celebration
also.
likho. Yeah, then also it is correct. It is correct.
Okay, sir.
Also is correct. Both these words I have seen everywhere, so I have taken celebrations. Because many times when we wish congratulations, तो congratulations भी बोलते हैं, congratulations भी बोल देते हैं. ना accordingly it goes. Anything else?
सर इसमें बॉक्स नहीं ना बनाना है.
बेटा मैं अब कितनी बार बोलूं, अभी 1 मिनट पहले बोला हूं बॉक्स बनेगा, बॉक्स बनेगा, बॉक्स बनेगा. क्यों नहीं समझते हो? डब्बा बनेगा बच्चा, डब्बा बनेगा. अभी 1 मिनट पहले मैंने पूछा था लड़की के डाउट के पहले कि बॉक्स बनेगा इसके अंदर. वेयर इज योर अटेंशन बेटा? आई टोल्ड यू जहां बॉक्स बनेगा. मैं अभी स्टार्ट होने के पहले ही पूछा था. Somebody asked me the same doubt. I gave the same reply बेटा that box बनेगा for notice, advertisement, invitation and the reply. आप कौन सा टॉपिक कर रहे हो? उनके अलावा कर रहे हो?
नो सर,
तो
पानी
मत
पीने
बनाओ फिर. So be attentive बेटा. अब मैंने बॉक्स नहीं बनाया तो आप उस चीज को पकड़ रहे हो. My box is there, वो व्हाइट कलर में हाइड हो गई है. मैंने व्हाइट बॉर्डर बनाई थी. चलो, be attentive. Why do you have such things? एक तो ये leave a line and box वाला part is confusing the student so much. Don't get confused by such things. एक दो बार सुनो, एक दो बार प्रैक्टिस करो, अपने आप समझ में आ जाएगा. And books have been given to you, reference books दिया, खोलो, take time, extra time also besides the classes. वो खोल के देखो कि क्या है क्या नहीं है, प्लीज, है ना. इस वाले में भी बॉक्स बनेगा, बिफोर यू आस्क, इसमें भी बॉक्स बनेगा. These things become silly, silly doubts become irritating at least at times. Sharma Public School Jodhpur is going to organize its annual day on the Christmas Eve. Draft a formal invitation to invite all the parents and dignitaries of the city. So when is the celebration being done? कौन सी तारीख को हो रहा है?
25 December.
25th of December.
24. 24.
Christmas Eve लिखा है, so be very clear, नहीं तो आपके half mark डिडक्ट हो जाएंगे wrong date के लिए. Christmas Eve details becomes the day or evening before that festival. New Year Eve is not 1st January, New Year Eve is always 31st December. है ना, वो चीज दिमाग में तो हर eve के आगे वो आ जाएगा. And this we have discussed in the red trap chapter also. Now in this I've changed the invitees. So both are correct. First I showed you the school as the invitee. Pay attention to this important. अब आ गया box. The
Yes, sir.
principal, okay, धन्यवाद. The principal, staff and students of Sharma Public School, Jodhpur. So you can change the invitee. Don't ask sir उसमें school था हम कौन सा करें. Choice is yours. The principal, staff and students, and this will look realistic. Okay. Of Sharma Public School. Request the pleasure. Why request or request? क्या आएगा?
Request.
Yes, because principal, staff and student, many invitees are there. Request the pleasure of your company on the occasion of its annual day celebrations on 24th December in the school auditorium from 4:30 p.m. onwards. Leave a line. In this I've given a name. Mr. B.M. Shah, Mayor, has kindly consented to be the chief guest. Leave one or two more lines. Left hand side, ऐसे जैसे अलग से किया थोड़ा different आना चाहिए. RSVP, the principal, contact number, best wishes, staff and management. The matter is completed. I hope this is clear. And
Yes.
please, students, request all of you. Yesterday only I was staying in the one batch. बच्चे अलग-अलग से अजीब से नाम भेजते हैं. Don't put up names like Namo, Narendra Modi, and so on. समझ रहे हो ना? Mr. Kejriwal, Raga,
बाग
है ना? Please ऐसे नेम से दूर रहना. There are many others name. अगर नहीं मिलता आप अपना नाम डाल दो ना, बना लो अपने आप को चीफ गेस्ट. Nobody is going to stop you. है ना? So this is the way you have to. Please don't go for those things. Amit Shah और ये सब ऐसे बड़े-बड़े ऐसे नाम मत लिखना. कुछ भी नाम डाल दो. And don't go to that extent PM or CM. Mayor common है. Yes, Jai Shri Ram, Rohit. And Jai Shri Ram chief guest नहीं बनेगा बेटा. So this is the way you have to write. You can just put a mayor. That is the very simplest of the designation. And please lay it out in the same way जैसे मैंने लिखा है. Yeah, Ravi Raj, please type in your messages or ask, speak out. Hand raise मत. Yeah.
Sir, will it make any difference like mayor of Delhi or mayor?
क्या हुआ?
Will it make any difference that we have written here mayor and in the last we have written mayor of Delhi?
There is no difference.
No.
You can put a mayor of Delhi in this. जब दिल्ली का है तो mayor दिल्ली का ही बुलाओगे. तुम बॉम्बे से mayor को थोड़ी बुलाओगे. This is understandable. Rohit, if you have done this thing, so you can please leave the class for today. Enjoy the rest of your day. Yes, बाकी कुछ बच्चों के लिए नया. In fact, I've been teaching all these things for years. If you attended this class, Yes, you can attend for the revision purpose, else आप आराम कर सकते हो. Okay, so mayor of Delhi कर दो, or mayor also is enough. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Who is this person now? I think he wants to be out of the class. I should block him. कौन है ये? Rohit. What is this stupid thing आप पढ़ा? You should stop teaching us. Rohit, you can leave the class before I kick you out. I don't want stupid messages. Rohit, I am blocking you. अगर हो क्लास में अभी तो. He left the class automatically. नहीं है. Rohit, you are being blocked. Okay. You should stop learning. If you know things, get out of the class, please. Stupid. आपको मूड नहीं है पढ़ने का तो चले जाओ. Please don't spoil my mood. There are other students who want to learn. आपको आता है तो get lost. Stop teaching us. Okay, it's all for today. I'll wind up the class for today. Okay, everyone. Let me block this student actually. Sorry sir, या कुछ भी हो गए. Rohit, you're out for the class forever. मैं किसी दिन आपको आने नहीं दूंगा क्लास के अंदर. Nobody is compelling you. कोई invitation नहीं दे रहा आपको कि आइए पधारिए इंग्लिश क्लास में आइए. क्यों आपको क्या करना है? When you have attended the classes, then get lost, ना? You know everything. Why are you attending? Okay. So now you have seen this one, all of you. Now, before this invitation is put up, one more step is there. In this, we have put up the name of the chief guest. So before that, you'll also have to invite somebody to be the chief guest, and if he gives the consent, then only his or her name will be reflected. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
तभी तो आएगा ना. ऐसे थोड़ी हम किसी का भी नाम डाल देंगे, बाद में बुला लेंगे उसको, आजा यार तेरा नाम डाला है. Yes. So now we'll focus on that type of advertisements also. Now, before that, your school is going to hold its annual function in December. Please hold on. Yes. Your school is going to hold its annual function in December. You want Mr. Shah, the mayor, to give away the prizes to the winners. Write a formal invitation in about 50 words, requesting him to grace the occasion. You are the principal of Sharma Public School. So, till now we have just done inviting the guests and the dignitaries of the city. Dignitaries are the important members, the VIPs of the city. अब तक वो किया हमने. Now, a step before that, you're inviting somebody to be the chief guest. So now for that, you will put up the invitation. Is this question clear? And for the last 2, 3, 4 years, invitations of this type, inviting somebody to be the chief guest, or the reply from the chief guest regarding the invitation. Those have been focused more. So उस पे now we will pay attention. Okay. So those who know, सो सकते हो, and those who want to learn, they can be attentive. Okay, Rohit? I'm very shrewd when I get bugged up. So write a formal invitation in about 50 words requesting him to grace the occasion. You are the principal of Sharma Public School, Jodhpur. I hope the question is understood by everyone.
Yes,
In the
sir.
earlier one we had, because Mr. Shah had given his approval, इसलिए उसका नाम छप गया था. अब उसके step पहले. How the things have to be put up. Now, when this type is there, first you're sending, inviting. I think some problem. But just wait. Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Some sharing problem. 1 minute. I'll come to that slide. Just hold on, some problem. Is this visible now on the screen?
Yes, sir.
पता नहीं. The slideshow is not working. Just hold on. मैं उसको ठीक करता हूँ.
क्या हो रहा है? नहीं आ रहा है.
Now is it shared? कुछ दिख रहा है?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir. नहीं दिख रहा.
Okay, some problem. Just hold on. I just log out में आता हूँ. Be in the class.